It's day 5. We're at the US Military Base. We're honored to be invited here. Check these guys out, doing their work for our country, keeping us safe and sound. Let's go in and check it out.
All right.
What are you guys doing here?
Hey, we're gonna get some merch.
These two are thinking, look at their shirts. They killed it. How are you, sir? Thanks for your service. Thanks for your service.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Not much. How are you? Thank you.
Thanks for your service.
How are you? Good, thank you.
Thank you for your service. Hi, how are you?
Dennis Carter from Dallas.
How are you? Thanks for your service. Thanks for having us. Thank you for your service. How are you, sir? Thanks for your service. Dallas guy? Good old. I'm born and raised in Dallas. So we got Colin and Chris here. Been killing it all week. Worked incredibly hard, harder than the rest of us. Now they're going to hand out gas making shirts and Black Mountain shirts to the troops. Thank you, guys. Do that now while they're teaching out a shirt. Yes, sir. Size you wear, sir? Medium. This is his platoon shirt. Very cool. That's awesome. Very cool. Nice to meet you. Thanks for your service. So our guys are over here taking care of us, and it looks like we're taking care of them. This is their rec center. Not too bad. They deserve it. So we just left the military compound, visited our awesome U.S. military. We're back at the RIYADH car show. So it is massive. Now we're walking all the way across, and Monster Jam's here too. Gonna go see Monster Jam. So again, it's day 5. Had an incredible day with the military. It was awesome. And check out what's here at Monster Jam. I just swallowed 2 gnats. It's kind of brutal. The gas might be dry. How are you, sir? Can you believe it? We got BJ himself. Are you surprised?
I know, I see you coming up as I was getting ready to get going, so I'm like, I gotta jump out real quick and say hi.
The infamous BJ Johnson driving the gas monkey rig. How's it going?
It's going good. Had a rough show the first one, but we got it figured out.
You realize you're in Saudi Arabia?
I know, and it's cold.
And raining and windy.
Yeah.
I would have never thought that.
Yeah. Won 5. This is our 5th show. We got 1 to go.
We've been over there for 5 days. We got 1 to go. It's been a long week, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Ready to go home?
Yeah, but it's been fun here.
It has been fun.
We had a good time. Everybody's nice. Yes.
Yeah, the people are super, super nice.
Yeah.
Brother, get out there. Terrific.
All right, buddy.
Good to see you, brother. Yep. Fired up.
Bye.
Good luck, BJ.
There it is. BJ's got it fired up. Come out and give us a show.
We're here to put a show on for you. You better be ready.